Wokugendanga gose retirement y'omwarimu munene skulu ya Nyachogochogo Dr. Julius Keng'iti munago tumanye muri kwito kapire nyakundi
umugachi w'ikiombe ky'abarimu gya Kuppet Orosagia Rwakise nigo aganiriye abateneri ba TSC kuligereria ebirengerero byabo ebyo banyara gwikia busio bwabo nigo alengeko yakwanaiga asumuyiga bugucengera obukoreri bw'umwarimu omunene w'eskuru ya Nyachogochogo eyogo kutoka ase county ya Kisii uyu nyara gukora koba omwarimu ase skuru eyo.
Meeting on Wednesday, Tarembiri, we were engaging the employer on the current CPA. We engaged, but the counter offer was never given to us. Because the counter offer did not come, we gave them 7 days to go and scrutinize the proposals that we gave. In the event they have a counter offer, we will relay the information. If not, we will give a signal to all our teachers what we can do to force out their demands and the proposals that we give to the employer. You know this is a noble profession as they say, but it is time that we say that as teachers of this great country, we need also to be respected and given our due.
Asumuyiga oyiga bugucengera obukoreri bwayo mwalimu Julius Keng'ita nigo abange bamugokera ase amachibu y'umwaka weta ase anyalete gusira eskuru yiga gwikia emini ya 7 ase abana abange banyalete kwelikia gochia ase university
entry. This is an indicator of the determination, dedication, commitment and resilience of our teachers, students, support staff, and the enormous support of POM and our
part of the alumni ya Hema Secondary School passing enjo yokuno siwe mwalimu wetu nyareko ba okore a service osoke kuwa se service nande to kumusabira maya nene nyasaya nyareko ka kumwatesi nande ne
to work since I began my career up to the end. I thank God who enabled me to work well and finish well. All glory, honor, and adoration is unto the great God. Amen.
Nunya na baigoni go umumaneja bw'Gataseni Getembe amona baralia ao baika sensemeyo asibaganiriye abamenyi kurwase orogongora gusi kugendera gutegerera Gataseni Getembe iri kunyora obukoreri weigoro
Getembe television. Thank you very much.
Kingo reporteria Gataseni Bwanchete kyanda gikomi Getembe kurwa ase county ya Kisii eritariane